How you doing, guys, and welcome back. And if you saw part 1, you know we headed over to the Fort Myers boat show. It's our first time here and we didn't know what really to expect, but once we got in, it was pretty cool. We saw many manufacturers with different models on display with single engines, triple engines, quad engines, and even no engines. And also went aboard a brand new 41-foot center console that had an amazing layout and sound system. And you know what else we did? We got to meet some really cool fans that watch the channel, some on camera and some off camera, with some really good stories. And you can watch the whole thing on video number 1. But now we're gonna keep going with part 2, where we're walking over to the wet docks. Now here's a model that's taking boating to the next level because the whole back of the boat opens up. Now how cool is this? Imagine hanging out with your friends with your feet in the water. But we didn't board because there was a waiting line. And now we're gonna walk by the Boston Whaler section. And they're well known for their hulls being filled with foam, and they claim that makes their boat unsinkable. Now here's the Boston Whaler that I would love to get on. It's a 40-foot Conquest with quad 400 throttles. And I've never seen this model before or been in one. But so far so good. What I could see from the outside, it looks really good. I just wish there was a sales guy so we could go inside. That means we have no information or specs on this model. And the main thing, how much is it? And also, how is the layout of the cabin inside? So we kept walking along the docks, keeping our eyes open to see what other boats we could get into. And look at this, we almost walked by it without recognizing it because we wasn't paying attention. But look what we have here, a 43-foot sportfish Vivera. And if I ever consider buying a sportfish, this will be the dream model I will buy. Now let's go see if somebody's inside so we can take a peek. And I think we hit the jackpot because someone is there. So we asked permission to board. This is the dream boat. Yeah, this is the dream boat right here.
How's the show been?
Oh, good, good. First time here. Never been to this one.
Welcome.
Wow, I like, oh, this is different. What year is this?
This is 2021.
Well, this caught me off surprise because normally the driving station is on the right hand side of the boat. Oops, I'm sorry, on the starboard side of the boat, but this one is on the port. I always forget my boating terminology. I'm just kidding, I'm just messing with you guys. But you know what? Let's go check out what's really important here. Wow, this is super nice. Look at this. This is you guys' room right there. Oh, it's 3-bed. This is even bigger. This one has three beds. Yes, this is it right here. There you go. There you go, Gabby, Joel, y Fresco. Right here, perfect. This is it right here.
Full shower.
Let me see.
You got a full shower when you turn right.
This is the bathroom. Oh, with a full shower. My gosh.
Entire bathroom.
Nice. Yeah.
Give me your bathroom.
This is the main room.
Look at it.
Oh my gosh, I love it. You see the main bathroom?
It's your own.
Yes, look at that. Ooh, the skylight and everything. You see the closet? Look at that. This is super nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
I love it. It has a perfect, because I'm a family of 5. And now we're gonna take a look outside and on the flybridge. And if you notice, this is a 2021 model, but I guess the original owner kind of wanted a classic look. And that's why you can see a lot of teak accents through the boat. Me personally, I prefer the modern look better, but I love the layout of this model. So what do you guys think about this dream beauty here? I love it. Price wise was $1,300,000, and that is when the dream becomes a nightmare. But maybe that's manageable. But the only thing that worries me is that the cruising speed is 27 miles an hour. I just wish they could travel a little faster than that, but well, I guess we'll keep dreaming and keep walking. And something that I'm liking about the new designs of the express cruisers are the majority of the boat builders are going to outboard design, and that's really good because you get more room in the boat and easier maintenance on the motors. And now we're gonna jump in and take a look at this 38 Regal with triple 300 Yamahas. But we might be facing a problem because I could see through the windows that the boat has a few people inside already. But we're gonna take our chance and go on board. And right away I could see the layout is for entertaining people because it has the galley in the back and it opens up to the open air with 3 sliding glass doors.
$100 million.
And well, just like I called it, there was a few people in the cabin that we waited about 10 minutes and they were still inside, so we decided to keep looking around and take a look at the flybridge up above. And as soon as we went to the top, we felt a little different because it had no bimini top or radar arch nor any type of covering. It was completely open. We felt naked or like we were gonna fall off the side. But I guess cruising in the water or in a wide open ocean, it might feel really cool. But the only thing you might be facing is the unpredictable Florida weather, and you're not gonna have anything to cover yourself with. So what do you guys think so far about the Fort Myers Boat Show? I think it's pretty cool. And will you guys come visit next time it's here?
Alright, let's daydream some more, guys. Check it out. This is super cool. Hang out while you're driving. Woo. So how's the cabin, guys?
Comfortable.
Big enough for you guys? Oh yeah, I like this. Yeah. Wait. I like that. I could sleep there. You guys, I know this is. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This becomes a bed, right?
Yeah.
Feel like this.
And then there's a galley. Check it out. Oh, refrigerator's pretty big. Ooh, stainless. Check out the microwave. And ooh, that bathroom is huge.
See how big this is?
Wow.
See the skylight?
Bathroom is huge. And we got the underbed.
Little room.
This is nice though. How you like it? Yeah, this is way comfortable. This is way big. You fit down there?
Yeah, I fit.
Yeah, it's nice. Don't forget my camera.
So what do you guys think about this 37-foot Grady White? I think it's spacious and very roomy for family boating. Too bad I couldn't get more information like cruising speed and top speed and most definitely fuel consumption. So we're gonna leave the Grady White behind and keep looking around, see what else we could find or run into. And you know what was really cool? We ran into some brave fans that enjoyed watching the channel and we took some pictures. And they were here with their friends and family enjoying the show. And I met one more and he said he doesn't own a boat, but one day he will, and he's gonna try to visit the same places we have gone. But in the meantime, he's gonna keep watching and enjoying the boating life through the channel. And now we have made it to the fountain booth, and I haven't seen them in a while. And I've noticed something right away. They have changed their design. So I'm curious and excited to see what they have done to the new redesigned model. Also, I think it's a good idea when the boat dealer or manufacturer posts a sign next to the boat with all the specifics and options it has. Like that, if the salesperson is busy, you don't have to interrupt them, like is happening now. So I don't know the footage, beam, or options this boat has.
Oh, it's cool. Hey, you look good. You look like you belong here. Let me see. Look over here, both of you guys.
Well, check this out. We got 2 new team models for the Fresco Channel show. And by the way, what do you guys think about this complete redesigned fountain? To me, I guess I have to see it out in the water a few more times to get used to the new style. But here's one that kind of kept the traditional look of the hull, but a complete new design layout. And also another model with no specific or paperwork on it. And I was kind of curious to see the top speed on this boat because Fountain held the fastest center console title for a long time. But now we're going to take a look at a boat company that has kept their shape of their models for a long time, and it seems it's been working for them. So let's take a look at Formula 34 PC. And I think this is a new model because the original size was 37 feet. The only thing I'm wondering is this model comes with outboard options. And I think if you're the type of person that loves to cruise and stay overnight on the water, this is the perfect ideal boat. But if you like to do a little bit of fishing, I wouldn't recommend it because there's a lot of white cushions all over the place. And usually when you do some fishing, you're gonna poke a hole with the hook and get fish blood everywhere.
You can see, right?
Now you already saw the outside is very accommodating. Now let's go check the inside. Well, like you saw, this boat is very roomy for a 34 footer, and too bad there was somebody in the head that I couldn't go inside. But definitely, this boat could be a weekender for a family of 4 or even 5. And talking about family, I gotta get to the rest of mine because Gabby and Olguita stayed home and they already called me and said they were feeling hungry. So we're gonna start working our way back towards the exit, and we spent here about 3.5 hours and we only saw about 1/4 of the boats being displayed. So definitely, if you're planning to come next time they have a show, make sure you give yourself ample time and come early and leave late, and maybe you'll get a chance to see most of the boats. And also, if this is your first time visiting the channel and watching your first video, there's plenty more in my video library. Oh, talking about the video library, if you guys want to check out a really cool video that I did about 3 years ago about the Miami boat show, but this video is special because you can actually move the video around and look at the boats that you want to, because it's recorded in 360. You know what? I'm gonna leave the link on the description below, and you guys check it out and let me know if you like it or not. Maybe I'll do another one in the near future. And I'm gonna take this time to answer this question that I think I answered already like 100 times this year, and especially when people ask me about when buying a boat, and I try to answer most of the questions because, believe it or not, I get this question via email or direct message through social media at least 10 times a month. And the main thing is this: when you're looking to buy a boat, make sure you buy it around the purpose that you're gonna use it the most, because you know we tend to use the boat for many things. Like me, I mostly do island hopping and stay overnight, so definitely a boat like the Hydro Sport fits me perfectly. But if I did a lot of fishing all the time, I will have to get a center console because it's easier to fish with. But the most important part is make sure you get your family involved and you guys choose on the right boat that fits you, because like that everyone will be happy to go boating together, because families that plan together stay together.